notice that a lady that is into you, all of a sudden she withdraws, and you are wondering what really happens? Here are 5 chances that you have made these 5 mistakes. Huh? Have you made those mistakes? So let's fix it in today's video. Tip number 1, you are too available. I don't understand. See, a lady actually appreciates attractions, being available, but at the same time, ladies do not appreciate that you leave everything, your entire life, everything you have to be with me. Like, you don't have anything you're doing, it's just to be with me. Like, it's always, she will feel withdrawn because she feel like you're not responsible. Remember, in one of my videos I also said that ladies love guys who have purpose. You can't be dating no purpose, no nothing, and then you're just all about me. That cannot work. And so one of the main reasons why you must have made this mistake, maybe you are too available, right? You are too. Let's move to the next one. The next mistake is that you are ignoring emotional connection. See, if by one way you are already connected to her physical being, how she looks snatched, how she looking on point, no emotions attached, the love is not really emotional, it's not passionate, she's going to get to know and then she will withdraw one day. So if you think everything you guys have been doing is basically physical and nothing emotional, trust me, this could be one of these mistakes. So if this one is not your own mistake, let's check out the third mistakes. The third mistake is losing your masculine edge. See, let me tell you, as much as some ladies, they try to make it look like feminism and all of that, as much as they make it look that way, let me tell you, if you lose your masculine edge, your confidence, your strongholds on ladies or more, or you become a boy, or you become so passive in that relationship, trust me, that could be the mistake you have made. You have made that become like a man where you are, and then you have lost that your masculine stuff. So trust me, that could be your mistake. And if you know that this one is not your mistake, let's check out the next mistake. So the next mistake is failing to keep things exciting. And my people call this one that it is what? See finish. When you have seen the person finish and then you are not even trying to make things exciting and fun, it's just your normal routine. She comes to your house, you guys, for some of you that I don't even understand, you guys go down there, then she eats and then go home. Why some people, they just come, take ice cream together, Netflix, and that's all. Nothing really exciting and fun, right? So she's going to feel that nothing, there's nothing here for me. Do you get? She's going to be like, there's nothing here for me. So that could be your mistake, that you are keeping things routine. You are not doing fun things, nothing exciting about the relationship. You guys are just there, okay? Routine. Remember what I said, routine what kills relationship. You must be able to spice things up at times. Do you understand? So if this is not your own mistake, let's check out the next mistake. That could be your own mistake that you have made, that girl is avoiding you right now. So let's check the next one. Yes, and this is my last mistake. So if at all this one is not your mistake, we'll talk about it in the comment section. But for now, check all through the mistakes I've listed from mistake 1 to this point and check out that mistake you have made. So moving on to the last point that says that overthinking and seeking reassurance all the time. All these guys that every time they'll be asking, are we okay? Is this relationship moving forward? I don't understand. So every time they're always like, they want you to seek reassurance, Every time she's always asking you that, what next? She's always the one pushing like a reassurance, overthinking things. Where are we going to the next level? The girl is going to run because she feel like you're overthinking and then constant reassurance. You guys don't know where you are. You guys don't know where you're going to. We are not on the same page. So eventually she's going to feel withdrawn because as long as in her own mind, maybe she's already thinking that, marriage is the goal. But in your own mind, you are still thinking that dating is still the goal. Do you understand? And then she's like, ta-da. So that could be your own mistake. So I want you to go to mistake 1. mistake 2, mistake 3, mistake 4, and this mistake 5. And I want to say that which of these mistakes have you guys made? I want to ask you. I'm talking to guys now, I'm not talking to ladies. Which of these mistakes have you guys made? Come, let's talk in the comment section. And see you in my next one. Follow me, subscribe for more relationship content. See you in my next one.